In this video, you'll learn how to add multiple items in one listing on eBay. This process will help you manage your inventory more efficiently and provide a better shopping experience for your buyers. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you are on the home page, locate and click on the sell option, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will direct you to the selling page where you can create a new listing for your item. As you start filling out the listing form, find the quantity field. Here, enter the total number of identical items you wish to sell, allowing buyers to purchase multiple units from a single listing streamlines the buying process. This approach not only saves time, but also simplifies your inventory management. Next, craft a clear title and description for your product. Make sure to specify in the description that multiple units are available for purchase. It is beneficial to include high-quality images of the product and to clearly state the condition of the items being sold. In the pricing section, set the price per unit, as this will inform buyers how much they will pay for each item they select during checkout. Once you've completed the listing details, take a moment to review everything before publishing it on eBay. Confirm that both the quantity and price information are accurate. After publishing, keep an eye on the listing as items sell, as eBay will automatically reduce the available quantity after each purchase. This feature helps in maintaining accurate inventory levels. Proper inventory tracking is essential to prevent overselling, which can negatively impact your seller reputation. Organized listings not only improve order management, but also help in building buyer trust. Reliable stock updates are crucial for a successful selling experience on eBay. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.